In this video, we'll explore 4 key uses of the simple past tense. For each, I'll provide clear examples to help you master this essential grammar point. Simple past tense examples to show complete actions. I finished my homework last night. She visited Paris in 2022. We watched a movie yesterday. He cooked dinner for his family. They cleaned the house before guests arrived. I bought a new phone last week. She read an interesting book. The dog chased the cat across the yard. He painted the house over the weekend. We attended a wedding last month. Simple past tense examples to show time in the past. I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. She left for work at 8:30 this morning. They had dinner at 9 p.m. last night. He arrived at the party 2 hours ago. The train departed at 5:15 p.m. We met on Monday evening. The store closed at 10 p.m. She called me at noon. He joined the meeting at 3 p.m. They launched the product last Thursday. Simple past tense examples to denote habits of the past. I walked to school every day. She played the piano every evening. We went to the park on Sundays. He used to read the newspaper every morning. They visited their grandparents every summer. I swam in the lake every weekend. She used to write letters to her friends regularly. He often rode his bicycle to work. We watched cartoons every Saturday morning. They played football after school. Simple past tense examples to show past events or facts. The Wright brothers flew the first airplane in 1903. The Titanic sank in 1912. She graduated from college in 2010. The dinosaurs roamed the earth millions of years ago. They discovered penicillin in 1928. He became the president in 2005. The Berlin Wall fell in 1989. Columbus reached America in 1492. They completed the Great Wall of China in ancient times. He invented the telephone in 1876. To recap, the simple past tense is versatile and helps us talk about completed actions, specific times, past habits, events or facts from history. Practice these examples and don't forget to use the correct verb forms. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment and subscribe for more grammar lessons.